Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how can you really see where your credits are consumed, or which place you can go and check like how many credits are consumed so far. So in order to do that, first what you have to do is you have to go to your profile name here, and then you have to switch the role. So if you want to see the billing and the usage for your credits, so mainly we will focus on the usage here, like how many credits are used, how much storage is used. We have to select the account admin role. So once you select the account admin role, then you go to the admin ribbon. So under the admin, when you go to the admin, you will see the four main menu here. So number one is organization. So number two is consumption. Number three is storage. Number four is transfer. So what happens in organization, if you have multiple accounts, you can club those accounts together under an organization and maintain the cost. So when you click on the organization level, you see currently 0.9 credits used, and currently I have only one account in this organization. I can add multiple to manage it properly. That's what the organization does. And if you see here, Snowflake provides multiple options, like for how many days back you want to go, whether you want to go for a custom range or you want to go 28 days, 3 months, and so on. Then you can see whether you want to see all accounts together, and or you just wanted to go and see the specific accounts. So this is the flexibility to choose the account. Then you have the buy type. Like if you select the buy type, it means that it will show you the like your particular account, how much compute credits and how much cloud credits are consumed. You can also click on the buy day, buy hour, and buy month. So if I click on buy month for the May of month, it showed me like how much compute credits are consumed, how much cloud, and a total of 0.9. And then you have the units. So this units is currently is defaulted to credits, but this you can say currency also. So if you see here, it doesn't show me anything because we are in a free trial account. But when we start spending money on our accounts, it will show you exactly how much money has been spent on these. So this is the organization tab, where the accounts are clubbed together and you can manage. Next one is the consumption. So in the consumption, if you see, by default we can see how many credits were consumed by cloud services only and compute. So but you can change it how you want to see it. So if you see here, for the month of May, compute warehouse has consumed 0.8 credits and cloud service has consumed 0.1. And these are the various options by which you can go, whether you want to see by day, whether you want to see by various services like warehouse, or you want to see by various types like compute and cloud. So it gives you an idea how much credits are consumed by your compute and cloud services. And you can play around with these various options here, and if you want to refresh, you can refresh by this button. Next one is the storage. As I have earlier explained in my previous video, that the Snowflake does not charge the storage in terms of credit. It just tells you the average monthly storage, how much you have used, and based on that there is a price which you have to pay. But storage charges are there are three types of storages in Snowflake. One is database, one is fail safe, and another one is stage. We will go through all these details, but for now in this section I'm just explaining you how the storage usage you can actually see in your account. So again, you can play around with all these things. Here you can say see last 28 days, and you can go by month. So in a month of April, around 147.4 MB is used for stage, 12.3 KB for database, failsafe 6.4, and how much is the stored data is 17.8 MB stored. So we will go in detail, and if you see on the month of May, it is 58.0 MB. So this is the data, and this is the storage, and then if you see down here, it shows like, okay, for stages how much stored, then for the database how much, and so on. And you can see the more storage breakdowns here per month. So next one is the transfer. So Snowflake charges you the credits, or not the credits, it charges you like how much bytes of data is actually transferred. So since we have not transferred any data, so that's why it doesn't show us here. But let me explain it quickly what it means. So suppose you are in AWS US East region, and you have different accounts under that region. If you are transferring the data in those accounts in the same region in the cloud, it will be free. But the Snowflake charges the data transfer if you are transferring the data into different regions basically. So you are in AWS US to West region, and you want to transfer the data in some account in each region, then Snowflake will charge you. Or if you're sending out the data from the cloud platform, for example, you are in AWS cloud platform and you're sending the data out of it to some other third party region or some other cloud platform. So that's why this transfer type, mainly two out of the cloud platform, and the first one is the across different region for the same cloud platform. So I hope you got an idea how you can really go and see where exactly you can check how much my credits are consumed and how much my storage is consumed. So thank you for watching. I will see you soon.